He's the Riverdance sensation who took the world by storm with his Irish dancing skills before bidding farewell to the stage in 2016. And Michael Flatley has decided it's time to make another change, as he relisted his luxurious Irish mansion Castle Hyde for $14.5 million, £11 million, on Thursday, after failing to sell the property when he first put it on the market in 2015. The Lord of the Dance star, 59, originally put his home up for sale for $23.2 million, £17.6 million, but has since reduced the price by 36%, despite spending about $35 million, £26.6 million, on renovating it after he had bought it for $4.6 million, £3.4 million. In 1999, speaking to the Wall Street Journal about the reduction, Michael said, "I don't mind taking the cut because I spent 20 of the best years of my life in that house." Michael, who has a net worth of $350 million, £266.6 million, has previously revealed that his choice to sell the house had come about after purchasing a mansion in London's extravagant Belgravia, adding to his property portfolio, which includes homes in Barbados and Monaco. The professional dancer's palatial home was first built in the 1700s, before being extended in 1801. It sits on a 150-acre estate and boasts 7 reception rooms, 12 bedroom suites, and a swimming pool, over 35,000 square feet. In a 2004 interview with The Telegraph, the dancer revealed how he came to be the owner of Castle Hyde in 1999. He had been flying above the area with a helicopter along with a property scout, when he spotted the mansion from above and was told it was Castle Hyde. "Something about the name clicked with me and I asked the pilot to land," Flatley said. Despite protests from the property scout that he couldn't just land uninvited in someone's garden, they went down, and after noticing the dilapidated state of Castle Hyde, he decided he would restore it to its former glory. Castle Hyde, located in rural County Cork by the River Blackwater, was once the ancestral home of Douglas Hyde, Ireland's first president, and thanks to Michael's refurbishing it once again looks presidential. Michael once famously turned down a name-your-price offer from another well-known Michael. According to the dancer, Michael Jackson had been on holiday in Ireland, and just like himself, had spotted Castle Hyde from the sky while in a helicopter, but Flatley turned down the offer. Visitors are unlikely to miss the ivory and grey castle as they pass the steel gate and come up the driveway, before arriving at the mansion's large, welcoming entrance. Decorated with maze hedges and lion statues, it seems obvious how grand the home will be, but even that doesn't convey how breathtaking it is inside. A vast reception room provides visitors with their first glimpse of the sprawling property, making them feel instantly welcome as they lounge on regal armchairs and admire the ancient Greek decor. Lit with a crystal chandelier, the entrance also has its own grand piano which would set the scene perfectly at a party, or which musical guests could use if they're so inclined. Guests can then retire to one of the property's many living rooms, spoiled for choice thanks to the diverse variety of plush areas they can relax in. Seemingly color-coordinated, one space boasts a deep purple theme as the walls, velvet chairs, and large rug use the hue to give the room a majestic flair. Another is perfect for those cold winter nights, as guests can lounge on ivory sofas by a grand marble fireplace and talk the night away, or even play chess, as stunning vintage portraits decorate the walls. A large 2-tiered library provides the perfect escape into the world of books, as its wall-to-ceiling shelves are bursting with stories waiting to be read, while a spiral staircase allows access to the upper levels. The home's classic theme continues into the main dining room, where busts of Roman emperors and a stunning ceiling painting of past figures look over onto a large wooden dining table that seats up to 13 people. But that's not all, as a recreation room gives guests the chance to unwind after dinner thanks to its built-in bar and comfortable chairs that give way to antelope taxidermy heads and zebra print stools for a safari theme. A home cinema that can fit 20 people on leather sofas can also keep the whole family entertained as they spend time watching their favorite films together, while images from classics like The Godfather and Singing in the Rain line the walls. A 3,000-square-foot master bedroom hosts a king-size bed with its own royal red drape for privacy, and large French windows provide the perfect amount of light for the grand space. Statues line the walls of the corridor leading to just a few of the house's 12 bedrooms, with each taking on its own theme, and one standout features Oriental decor including a wooden dividing door, Buddha statues and regal paintings. Another room has a decidedly French theme with its royal blue and gold decor and its own Napoleon statue. An indoor pool provides even more fun for the whole family, while a windowed ceiling gives them the chance to admire the sky above. Outside the property, homeowners and guests can enjoy a spot of relaxation on the tennis courts or the putting green, and they can even take a step back into the past by visiting the ruins of a 12th century Norman castle. The Blackwater River snakes its way around the front of the estate, providing some of the best salmon fishing in Ireland as well as walking trails that go on for miles.